Hi folks, welcome to the Richard Cheney channel. I'm Richard Cheney. Tonight we're going to talk about video and sound quality. When you listen to an LP record, you got high definition sound. When you listen to a CD, you got digital sound, which is HD sound. When you watch a DVD movie, you've got HD picture and sound. When you listen to a cassette tape, you got poor sound, which is low sound. With VHS tapes, when you watch them, you got poor picture and audio. It ain't no good. Poor picture and audio. When you compare each sound, you get something different each time. Something different each time. Now you can compare each audio and video comparison by comparing each item. Alright? By doing that, when you watch a certain DVD or VHS tapes, you'll see the picture and sound is a lot different than the picture and sound on DVD. Lot different. You've got to compare each item in order for each item to be known. When you compare the sound quality, some of the sound quality is higher than the others, and some of the sound quality is lower than the others. Same goes with video. The video quality is higher on DVD than it is on VHS tapes. The VHS tapes is lower video and lower sound than the DVDs. Now when you compare each product, you'll be able to know the difference. And you'll get something different each time. Something different each time. You just got to know how to work it. You just got to know how to work it. By doing that, you've got to compare the video and audio quality on each item. That's all you got to do. That's all you got to do. Just compare the video and audio on each item and see what you come up with. Each item is different from the other. That's right. Each item is different from the other. It's not hard to compare. Not hard at all. Not hard at all. You just got to know how to compare the video and sound quality on each item. On a CD, the sound quality is different from the LP records. The LP records has hi-fi sound, and the CD has HD sound. It's not hard to compare the sound and video quality on each item. Not hard at all. You just got to compare each item. It's not hard at all. Not hard at all. How are you doing? How is your family doing? Hope you and your family's doing well. Me and my family's doing pretty good. Enjoying the weather. Doing pretty good. Yesterday I got up, ate my breakfast, lunch, and dinner, spent time with my mom, my family, and friends, watched some movies, waited on time to do the video. Now I'm doing the video. If you have any suggestions on what CD, DVD, LP record, or cassette you want to see, leave down in the comments and I'll show you those items. And always remember to be kind and true, always have love in your heart, always respect others, always treat people with respect, and always be there for your family and friends, and always make a friend if you can, and always remember to always like, favorite, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.